Hi, my name is Rene, and today I want to show you a comparison between some of the latest large language models that are available that support multimodality functionality. And we're going to focus on this multimodality features, particularly with using images as an input, and then we can ask the large language model a question about that image or give it a task, right? So we're going to compare, first of all, Gemini Ultra, because this is brand new. They just released Gemini Advanced, which is a paid end-user service leveraging Gemini Ultra under the hood, which also has vision capabilities. And we're going to compare it with OpenAI's ChatGPT, also the paid version, with the GPT4 model, the GPT4 vision model. And we're also going to compare it and include LLaVA, which is an open weight, open source model. And we're going to focus on LLaVA 1.6 with 34 billion parameters, which is tiny compared to Gemini and GPT4. Gemini Ultra and GPT4 are known to have around 1.5 trillion parameters, so around 1,500 billion parameters. Again, LLaVA has 34 billion, right? So much smaller. Let's take a look. I'm going to show you a bunch of images and we will go through this and then you will see the results yourself. So let's start with the first image. It's this one. It's basically a castle, Moritzburg Castle. It's nearby where I live. And so let's ask it to describe the image and tell us where it could be. And I tried to click on LLaVA first and be very fast. So LLaVA, Gemini, and GPT-4. So let's see. Let's start with GPT-4. Image depicts a grand building with Baroque architecture. Yeah, that's very much true. Body of water, could be in Europe. Remember, I didn't just ask to describe the image, but also to tell me what could be. And it could be water as pictured as seen, typical European palaces. Well, that's pretty solid, I would say. But Gemini Ultra is definitely impressive because it actually tells me that it's Moritzburg Castle, which is true. It's exactly Moritzburg Castle. But then again, I might give it to Google because they have also Google Lens and, you know, all the training data. So look at this. LLaVA 1.6 is also pretty good. It actually features here similar description like we had with GPT-4, right? But at a much smaller size. So second test, now we're going to ask it if it can understand the joke. So what's the joke here? You see there's a little comic strip and we're going to ask it, okay, can you explain the joke to us? So I'm going to start it now with GPT-4, Gemini, and LLaVA. All right, so let's see what it comes up with. And you see LLaVA is really fast. They have it hosted here. I'm just using the public demo website, but they have it hosted probably with a proper GPU. We already see that Gemini is failing because it realized there's a person inside of it. I mean, this is clearly a comic, right? And this is very much annoying. Sorry, I can't help with images of people yet. Seriously. Well, anyhow, let's see what LLaVA spit out. The joke and comic strip plays a difference in behavior between dogs and cats. I mean, that's a perfect explanation about the joke pretty much, right? GPT-4 also does a very solid, very good explanation. All right, now we're going to ask it about some physics, right? So you see this setup here, and we're going to ask it, what happens if I remove the stones on the top right, right? So let's see. Let's start with Gemini, LLaVA, and GPT-4. The race is on. Let's see. Of course, LLaVA 1.6 comes up first, and it tells you if you remove the stones on top right from the balance, the stack of the stones on left would likely fall of the balance being the balance is maintained by the equal and so on. So it perfectly gets it. What is this? Okay, it's difficult to say sure what could happen if you remove the stones on the top right of the image you sent me, as the image is quite abstract, how it can offer some possible outcomes. Oh gosh, like it's not getting it, right? I mean, it says potentially the balance of this could be disrupted. And of course, basically ChatGPT with GPT-4 vision also gives us the right answer here. The final test is a picture of myself, and I will ask it, make a joke about this person. You see, I asked GPT-4 just this. For a Google with Gemini Ultra, because it doesn't do anything with people on the images, I'm actually saying, okay, don't worry about it. It's actually myself. And for LLaVA, we just give it the simple prompt, right? All right, so let's start with Gemini, LLaVA, and GPT-4. Let's see if we get some good jokes here. Look at LLaVA, it's already done. Why did the man with glasses go to the eye doctor? Because he wanted to see if he could get a better view of this future. All right. Well, Gemini Ultra doesn't just do it. I mean, I understand for certain responsible AI principles, but hey, this is just not the heavy stuff here, right? So anyhow, and GPT-4 just does it. All right, so that's it. That was the comparison I wanted to make. I showed you a bunch of different pictures and images and also different tasks for these multi-modal large language models. So I would definitely give it to LLaVA 1.6 because it's a fantastic model. It's open weight, open source. You can put on your own guardrails if you like. And so, yeah, that's the winner I would see. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.